Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto.
Alright, let's kick off today's video with a little humor, because we all need it right now. Remember that Uptober hype? Yeah, the only thing that went up was everyone's blood pressure when Bitcoin dumped in the first 24 hours of October. Looks like Uptober took a wrong turn into October, but hey, that's crypto for you. But jokes aside, let's dive into the data. In the last 24 hours, Bitcoin has dropped a hefty 9.45% from its local top of 66,400, currently sitting around 60,800. Down 8.5% from yesterday. Ouch, right? It's not just about Bitcoin though. In that same 24-hour period, gold soared over 1%, and the DXY, the US dollar index, shot up around 0.8%. Clearly, the global financial stage is reacting. Now let's zoom out and take a look at Bitcoin's historical responses to geopolitical events. Here's a chart showcasing how Bitcoin has behaved when the world gets a little tense. Notice the volatility. When the US-Iran tensions escalated, Bitcoin jumped 12% within 10 days. On the flip side, during the initial shock of the Rona outbreak, it tanked by 25%, only to rebound over the next 60 days. This pattern shows Bitcoin's dual personality, sometimes acting as a speculative asset, and at other times, a hedge against global chaos. Fast forward to the 2020 US election. Bitcoin surged by 131% over 2 months. Clearly, when traditional assets wobble, Bitcoin often rises as a decentralized store of value. And more recently, during the US regional banking crisis, Bitcoin jumped 25% in just 10 days. When traditional finance faces turmoil, Bitcoin seems to position itself as an alternative. But is it truly a safe haven? So what's your take? Is Bitcoin evolving into a true safe haven? Or is it still just another volatile asset? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoy this breakdown and want more insights into Bitcoin's place in global finance, hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell. And see you in the next one.